Howdy and welcome back to the workshop. Today we're going to be talking about CRC Rust Converter. This is a unique milky white vinyl acrylic coating that can be applied to any rusted metal surface to stop rust in its tracks. The first step for use is degreasing your whole part with the CRC Pro Series Parts Cleaner and Degreaser. Next, you want to wire brush down your part to get rid of any loose rust or paint that's hanging onto the surface there. Next, you'll want to apply your rust converter, and for best results, you'll want to use a paintbrush for this. After you've applied the first coating, wait for it to dry and apply another thin coating on the outside, and then you'll want to wait about 24 hours before applying any coats of paint on top of that. That being said, this rust converter coating looks fantastic by itself. It's a nice satin black finish, makes a great primer coating as well. And this stuff lasts for an awfully long time. So if you guys are in the market for a awesome coating for your machines or whatever you've got, this coating is perfect for any rusty metal that you might have. So thank you guys for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.